all you petite women. First of all, I highly recommend you buy a full lace wig. The reason why, it's very stretchy, so it'll conform to your head. Now, I'm giving you these tips because petite wigs are very expensive. You already know that. So you want to save money, go to my site, buy a full lace wig at testwigs.com. Now, here's what you do. You use those straps right there. You make sure that they're tightened. You could even double them and attach them together. If that doesn't work, you sew it. See, one stitch there, one stitch there, evenly on both ends. That's all you do, and that's going to tighten the cap. Let's say it's bulking up and you're like, oh my God, I got a bulk. That's okay. Put another stitch in and tighten that cap up. And then always don't forget to cut the lace off. There you go. As close to the hairline as possible. So for those of you with a petite head, buy the full lace wig. testwigs.com.